warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellency, Ismail Omar Gelle, the President of the Republic of Djibouti. Your Excellency, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, the Prime Minister of Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. Your Excellency, Mohammed Abdullahi Farmajo, President of Somalia. Your Excellency Hassan Ali Khaire, the Prime Minister of Somalia. Representatives of the chairperson of the African Union, they are here. Your Excellency, Dr. Wagane Gebeyaho, the Executive Secretary of IGAD. Your Excellency, Donald Yamamoto, the U.S. Ambassador. Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed, good afternoon. Mr. President and Chairman as well, first and foremost, let me say that it's a great pleasure to be here with you today and to participate the continuation of the dialogue between Somaliland and Somalia. Allow me to extend my sincere appreciation to the regional, continental, and international community for your presence here today to discuss a topic of great importance to the Horn of Africa. Allow me to further thank His Excellency, President Ismail Omar Gelle, and the people of Djibouti for their warm and brotherly hospitality in welcoming us in this beautiful country. Though we may be separated by land and sea, nothing will diminish the important role you all play and will continue to play in your efforts to bring peace and stability to the African continent. The region is suffering from a combination of unprecedented challenges, which range from the COVID-19 to environmental and socio-economic issues. Regional cooperation and hegemony is urgently required to steward the vulnerable to more prosperous and stable future. Restarting of these mediation talks with international support is an important factor in securing a more sustainable future in the fulfillment of onerous and worthy duty of building a safe, secure, and stable relationship for the people for Somaliland and Somalia. Excellencies, allow me to stress the current phase that we are entering is a crucial in shaping the future of the future bilateral relationship between our two neighboring countries. Regional stability and sustainable and prosperous future for the Horn of Africa. However daunting or important such a task is, I remain confident and optimistic that through our and your attention, commitment, hard work, and dedication, we will be able to contribute to the peace and security landscape across the continent of Africa. Excellencies, allow me to present a brief historical background on how we got to where we are today. Republic of Somaliland received its independence from the United Kingdom 26 June 1960. Notification of that independence was duly registered with the United Nations and 35 countries recognized Somaliland. Somaliland voluntarily united with Somalia 1st July 1960 to form the Somali Republic. The union was not legally binding as the Act of Union was never formally signed. Therefore, the unification effort fell short of the requirements mandated by domestic and international